Welcome back, folks. Here we are in the old train station in Tomball, Texas. And it's a very historic place. It's right next to the railroad tracks. And we're just going to look around and enjoy this, because this is a beautiful, beautiful place, very old. And it's got the old traditions here. This is the train station. We got one of the conductors. It's a really historic place. Takes you back in time. This guy here looks like he's reading the newspaper and waiting for the train to pass. And then he's got his dog right next to him. He's got an old newspaper. And he's sitting on the bench waiting for the train. Here's another conductor. He's probably looking at his watch and saying, well, I think it's due in a few minutes. We got a plane overhead. Looks like a Cessna. We got a gazebo there with a Christmas tree. And look at that. That's a historic caboose. Train car with Santa Claus. Ain't that a piece of history right there? Think it's open? You think it's open? Says Trinity Brazos Valley RR 319078. This train car had its own history. And now it's restored and it's for exhibition right here. Thanks for watching, folks. We're gonna try and make more videos like this also. We'll see you next time.